Hi, I'm Dwayne Williams, and today we're going to be learning how to use this meter here, which is a DVOM meter. And so basically we're just going to go over all the different functions of this meter, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use it. Okay, so basically this DVOM meter, they're pretty simple to use. I mean, basically you have your on-off switch, you have your volt switch, you have ohms here, and this is an amp switch, and these are only really rated for about 20 amps, so you can't do anything more than that. So basically, first off, you would turn it to, most of the time you're going to use volts, so that's what you would turn it to. And you have this button, makes the screen light up, and here you can change your range, whether it's where the decimal point is, or from volts, or to millivolts, or whatever you may need. And then next, you can turn it to ohms. And of course, right now it says out of limits because nothing's hooked up to it. And then we always have, you have the 20 amps. And we don't use that one very often, but we do use it sometimes. And then most of the time you just take your negative lead and it goes in here, and your ground lead goes into here. Okay. And that's basically it. Okay, so today we're going to be going over the left headlight diagram for a 2006 Chrysler Pacifica. And here, as you can see, we have the power coming into the low and high beams for the left headlight, and then we have both of our grounds for the left headlight. Okay, so today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a basic volt drop test. And
It's not a volt drop.
What is it?
That's just a voltage test.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing a volt drop test on.
You just leave it on.
Okay, so today we're going to do a volt. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a ohm or resistance test on the front lamp light of the vehicle. So you want to make sure you turn that to ohms and make sure it comes on, and then you want to take it and slowly stick each side in and hold it up, and as we see, it should be roughly about 1 ohm. Okay, so in order to check a meter and find out if the fuse is any good, you have to turn it on and turn it to ohms, and once it's turned to ohms, you just take the positive lead and stick it in the 20 amp section, and now that we know that our meter is good. Okay, so we're doing a current flow test, and in order to check this, you want to make sure that you have your positive lead into your 20 amp spot, and you want to make sure you flip this to the 20 amp section. You want to check and make sure that the range is in the correct spot. And then we have our jumper here, so you will take one lead and plug it into the light beside the jumper, and then you take one lead and plug it into there, and as you can see, we have about 4.2 amps. Okay, so now we're going to do a volt drop test, and in order to do this, you want to make sure it's set to volt. Then you need to check your range again. Once your range is in the right position, you're going to take the positive lead of your terminal and stick it into the positive. Then you take the negative and stick it into the negative. Make sure you're getting a good reading. And as you can see, we have about 12 volts.